Hi guys, it's the 1st of July and I'm so excited because I'm going to start something brand new. Anyway, I'm going to try dropshipping for the very first time, you guys, in Kenya. I'm going to run it in Africa. People say dropshipping doesn't work in Kenya, so I'm just going to try that out. The first thing I'm going to do actually is to go to TikTok as everyone else does.
No! God, please, no!
Like find out a product that I see is kind of catching traffic, or maybe a product that has caught traffic in Kenya, combine them all together and then create a store. I am going to create a one product store so I can have multiple products within the one product store, so that if anyone doesn't like the product that I'm selling in the one product store, they can always purchase other products within the store. And I'm also going to run Facebook ads.
Stop it. Get some help.
If you're interested, stay tuned and let's get the results, because today is 1st of July. I'm so excited. And by the way, I have a friend called Shantu. Shantu, happy birthday. I'm going to update you when I find a product, and then after finding the product, we're going to create the store. Okay, so yeah, peace out. Okay guys, so after scrolling on TikTok for a while, I came up with something. So before I say what the product is, I want to say that you guys should understand me. There is something when it comes to Kenyans buying, or maybe Africans buying, there's something that if something is too small, they tend to feel like its value is also small. So that is like a minority mindset that most people have. But in order to win, I decided to go with this humidifier because it has so much functions within it. It is a lamp first, it is a diffuser second, and then it is humidifier. So the reason why I took this humidifier, I saw it on this profile. There was almost like 1.2 million views, that is on TikTok, on this page. When it came to them posting the product or how it is being used and stuff like that. And when I went to the comment section, I saw people saying that where can I find it, where can I find this product, where are you located, and stuff like that. So when I saw the creator's comment, the creator said out of stock. The creator was like replying, sorry, we are out of stock. And I was like, okay, looks like this product is out here and it is in very high demand in Kenya. It just came at the perfect time. And again, I saw that there were some other things that were really trending, like the thermal printer, the small one. I saw it really trending. I'm going to include thermal printer within the store, and then I'm also going to include this portable it is like a steam iron, and it's portable and it's light, and it just steams your clothes very fast. So that is also another product I'm going to try out. I think it's just marvelous because someone can even carry it with them when they're going out or when they're going on a vacation or something. So I thought that one is the best. But our main product in the store is the humidifier. Have that in mind. As I also have the unbreakable mirrors. I also saw that really trending. I think adding the 3 will make our Shopify store to like stand out. It's not like shouting a lot. So I already started creating a store, so let me show you guys how it looks like. So guys, this is how the page is looking like. Humidifier is the logo of our page, and then I have like a free essential oil patch where I give them the product with free essential oil. We have like 6 pieces within it, so that is like something that will help get a lot more sales. So I've explained the benefits, how it's being used, all of that. So I'll leave the link to the store in the description in case you'd like just guidance when it comes to this. And also you guys can tell me if you want like a more detailed video on how to create a Shopify store, or maybe any store that you want to create. So the payment method that I've used is Skrill. I'm not using PayPal. This is how our page is looking like. These are the products that we have within the shop. I'm checking it on mobile version to make sure that everything is all right before we put it off to work. So we have all the information, the shipping and delivery, privacy policy, refund and returns, terms of service, how people can subscribe to our emails, payment options, all of that. They are all in check. And then when we go to this other side, we are going to home. When we check on the home page, this is how it is looking like. We have our free essential oils that is part of the package. And then going downwards, we are giving people reasons why they should choose our product right there. And then here we have more benefits. We are giving people more reasons to buy our product by giving them more benefits of the product and how it will help them in their day-to-day lives. And then down here we are being given the main product. So this is the main product, which is my humidifier. So if someone wants to buy it large, they can tap on that. If someone wants to buy it medium, they tap on that, and then it changes the amount of money. And then people can add quantities with this side, or they can reduce it. And then people can also share. So why choosers, we are giving them reasons why they should choose our product. Okay, so here we have our money back guarantee, we have our customer support, eco-friendly, and then we have over 1,000 happy customers. So this is how we are going to attract them to buy our product or something of that sort. And then scrolling down, we have the videos, and then we ask them to shop our other home essentials. Just in case they don't like the humidifier, we can always give them other options of purchasing other products within the store. So these ones are the products that are within the store. And then about my humidifier, we have the FAQs, we have the shop, and then we have the contact. We have our mission right here that says that our mission is to make a difference. That's why we create products that are good for you as Kenyan, good for others, and good for the entire planet. Our innovative products instantly improve the way you view your surroundings, save much time, and solve a lot of day-to-day problems. So that is our mission within this store. And then we have our information, shipping and delivery, privacy policy, refund and returns, terms of service. These ones are so much important, guys. Put them into account while creating a store. And then down here we have our payment methods. So we cover 27 countries. Yeah. And then we go to this other side. After we've checked the home, we can check on the shop. This is how the shop is looking like. You guys have seen this on the desktop version already. So these ones are the reviews, all of that, mission statement, everything. So you've seen this on the desktop version. And then our FAQs right there. FAQs, frequently asked questions. You just come up with questions that people are likely to ask when it comes to the product. And then we have the contact, how people can reach us is here in case they have problems with checking out or anything of that sort. We can always be able to reach out and help them check out or something. And let's say someone wants to get the medium one, they can buy it now. So right now they are being given all the product summary and also the taxes that come around by purchasing the product. And then we also have shipping, we have region that the product is being shipped to, so anyone can choose the region that they want to ship the product to. Right now we are covering only 27 countries, which are these ones. And then we have the place where people will put their shipping addresses, how they want their product to be shipped and stuff like that. And we also have a free shipping. So the product we are selling, we ship it to you for free, guys. Let's try checking out. So I'll put in my first name. So here we have free standard shipping, so we offer free shipping, you guys. So this is the order summary. We have our contact email, we have our shipping, so we can continue to shipment. So we still don't offer a discount code, so Skrill payment, so people can pay through Skrill. We have billing address, select the address that matches your card or payment method. So complete order. The reason why I did not check out, first of all, because that email address is not registered to Skrill and our payment method is Skrill. So anyone who wants to buy from our store has to create an account, a personal account with Skrill, because that one is a secure payment method. We always advise people to do so. I'm still not sure if TikTok is running ads in Kenya still, but what I'm sure of is that Facebook does that. So I'm going to use Facebook to run the ads, and then I'll give you guys the feedback. And if you're loving this video, please give it a like, subscribe for more content from me. Everything that I try out, everything that I do to make money, I always share on this channel. So stay tuned, don't miss out. Subscribe, turn on post notification, like the video so that you can reach to as many people as possible. Hey guys, so this is our Facebook ads manager, and we're doing one creative and 3 active ad sets within the campaign. First, we are going to have a video. We are going to have 2 videos and maybe 1 carousel post. I started with a daily budget of 10 euros. And because I just wanted to test the product for one day, I was just like, let me use all these amounts that I have to invest into this product so that I can see how it performs. So this gave me the idea of how the product can actually perform, and these are the results, you guys. No judgment, please. Our ad spend went up to 18 euros in total for the entire day, which is not that bad because we got 219 website visitors, and in total we made, drum rolls please, $0. So guys, I'm about to go out and catch up the sun, but I had to come back and tell you guys my final say when it comes to dropshipping in Kenya. We've run ads, yes, but I just ran the ad for one day and we only had 2 ads to cut, and we had no sales, and we had like 219 website visitors, which is like really nice. Or what do I say, that one is like really positive. But again, you guys, give your business a little bit of time. Try and engage with other things, like trying organic ways of getting people to get to your store, like doing things over and over again. And that one means you'll have to order the product from wherever it is and start creating videos using the same product. So I'm going to do that. I'll be doing that within this period that I have. I have already ordered for the products from China. I have ordered like 20 pieces of the product. Also ordered the essential oils from China. Hopefully they get here very soon, so that I can also be able to create content using the products that will get here, because I feel like if someone sees you having the product and taking videos, taking pictures using the product, they feel like that is the real thing that they want, instead of you just using the everything that is displayed online. You know, the videos and everything that I used to run the ads, to create the Shopify store, all of them I got them online. None of them belong to me personally. So I have ordered the product so that I can also be able to create my own content relating to the same product that I'm selling. So I think that one is the part that we missed, and I'm really patient with these guys. In case of anything, I'm going to update you guys when it comes to the product, when it comes to the store, and when it comes to everything that I'm doing online. If you guys are interested in more videos like this, let me know in the comments. If you want me to try out anything else, let me know in the comments, you guys. Update me on things that are trending right now, things that people are working on, so that I can also try it out for you guys and see how it goes. Yeah, so if you like the video, make sure you like it, subscribe for more content from me, and thank you so much for reaching this far. You're my hero.